If you need to close your Webull account, follow these straightforward steps to ensure the process goes smoothly. Make sure you have all necessary information ready before you begin. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your Webull account by logging into the Apple website. Ensure you have your login credentials handy. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings. This is typically found in the Profile section of the Apple website. Step 3. Find Account Closure option. In Account Settings, look for an option related to account management or account closure. This may be labeled as Close Account or something similar. Step 4. Follow closure instructions. Click on the Account Closure option and follow the provided instructions. You may need to confirm your identity and acknowledge any terms related to closing your account. Step 5. Confirm account closure. After completing the necessary steps, confirm that you want to close your account. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your account closure request has been processed. Thank you for following these steps. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Webull's customer support for assistance.